Hi, is this seat free? I do not want to disturb you, but the cafe is very full today. I just came in and I cannot find another table.
Yes, of course. Please sit here. You are not disturbing me at all. This place is busy in the morning, but it still feels calm somehow.
Thank you, that is very kind of you. My name is Sophia. I come here sometimes when I want to think quietly and drink good coffee.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I am Alex. I come here often before work because it helps me start my day in a peaceful way.
That sounds nice. You look very relaxed, like someone who knows how to enjoy life. I wish I could feel that way more often.
I try my best, but it was not always like this. For many years, I was always busy and always thinking about money. I thought more money would solve everything.
Really? I think many people feel that way. I am still young, but I already worry about money a lot. Sometimes I think happiness is only for rich people.
I understand that feeling. Money is important, and we need it for food, rent, and safety. But after some time, I learned that money can make life easier, yet it cannot always make the heart happy.
That is interesting. I always hear people say money cannot buy happiness, but it sounds too simple to me. If someone has no money, life can be very hard.
You are right. And that saying is not the full truth. No money brings stress, fear, and many problems. But after your basic needs are covered, more and more money does not always bring more and more joy.
So maybe money is like a tool. It can help us live better, but it is not the final answer. Is that what you mean?
Yes, exactly. Money is a useful tool, not a perfect goal. It can buy a warm home, a healthy meal, and free time. But it cannot buy real love, deep peace, or true friendship.
I like the way you say that. It feels honest and easy to understand. Have you always believed this, or did something happen that changed your mind?
Something happened, yes. A few years ago, I had a very good job and a high salary. People said I was successful, but inside, I felt tired, lonely, and empty almost every day.
That must have been strange. From the outside, everything looked good, but inside you were not happy. Did people around you understand that?
Not really. Most people only saw my clothes, my car, and my office. They thought I had the perfect life, but they did not see the stress, the long nights, and the silence when I went home.
That sounds sad. Sometimes social media feels like that too. People show trips, gifts, and beautiful things, but we do not know how they really feel.
That is very true. Many people compare their real life to other people's best pictures. It can make us feel poor, even when our life is already good in many ways.
I do that sometimes. And then I feel bad. I see people my age traveling, shopping, and eating at expensive places. Then I ask myself why I am not living like that.
You are not alone. Many people feel that pressure now. But a photo shows 1 second, not a whole life. And a high price does not always mean real happiness.
Yes, I think I know that in my mind, but my heart still forgets. Sometimes I want more money because I think it will make me more confident. I think I will feel more important.
That feeling is very human. Money can bring confidence for a short time because it gives comfort and choice. But real confidence usually grows from skills, values, and knowing who you are.
That makes sense. If I only feel good because of money, maybe that feeling is weak. If the money goes away, the confidence goes away too.
Exactly. It is like building a house on sand. A strong life needs deeper things under it, like self-respect, good health, meaningful work, and people who truly care about you.
Can I ask you something personal? Do you still care about making money now? Or did you stop thinking about it after your experience?
I still care about money, yes. I just do not worship it anymore. I want enough money to live well, help people I love, and have freedom. But I do not want money to control my soul.
I really like that sentence. I do not want money to control my soul. It sounds powerful and peaceful at the same time.
Thank you. I learned it slowly, not in one day. Life taught me that chasing money without purpose is like running fast on the wrong road.
That is a beautiful image. I think many young people need to hear that, including me. We are told to dream big, earn big, and always want more.
Dreaming big is not bad. Wanting a better life is not bad either. The important question is this: what kind of life do you want, and why do you want it?
I never thought about the why deeply. I usually think about what I want, not why I want it. Maybe that is why I feel confused sometimes.
That is very normal. When your why is clear, money becomes a helper, not a master. Then you can choose work, habits, and goals that support your life instead of stealing it.
So if someone wants money to care for family, study, travel, or build a safe future, that is healthier than wanting money just to impress other people. Is that right?
Yes, I believe so. Money becomes dangerous when it is tied only to pride, status, or fear. But when it supports love, growth, and peace, it can do a lot of good.
I think I understand more now. Maybe money is not good or bad by itself. It depends on how we use it and what place we give it in our heart.
That is a wise way to say it. Money is energy, choice, and responsibility. It can open doors, but it cannot tell you which room will truly make you happy.
Have you met rich people who were unhappy? I mean, people who had almost everything they wanted. I am curious about that.
Yes, I have met many. Some had beautiful homes and expensive watches, but they were always anxious and never satisfied. They had full bank accounts, yet their hearts were still hungry.
That line is so strong. Their hearts were still hungry. I think that can happen when people do not know what they are really missing.
I agree. Sometimes what we miss is simple, like rest, meaning, or honest connection. We try to fill that empty space with shopping, work, or success, but the space stays empty.
And have you met people with less money who still looked happy? I have seen some people like that, and I always wonder what their secret is.
Yes, many times. They were not careless about money, but they valued daily joys. They enjoyed family meals, small goals, kind friends, and quiet evenings without always wanting more.
That sounds very beautiful. And also very simple. Maybe happiness is often closer than we think. Maybe we just look too far away.
I think so. Happiness often lives in ordinary moments that people ignore. A calm morning, a good conversation, a healthy body, a clear mind. These things matter more than we admit.
This conversation already makes me feel calmer. I came in today with a lot of stress about the future. Now I feel like I can breathe more deeply.
I am glad to hear that. The future matters, but today matters too. Saving money is wise, working hard is good, but we should not forget to live while we build our lives.
That balance is hard for me. Sometimes I feel guilty when I rest, like I should always be doing something useful. Do you ever feel that way?
I used to feel that way all the time. I thought rest was laziness, and slow days were wasted days. But now I know rest gives strength, and peace helps us think better.
I need to remember that. I often think success means being busy every minute. But maybe a peaceful person can also be successful.
Absolutely. Success is not only speed, money, or attention. Sometimes success means sleeping well, loving well, and waking up without fear in your chest.
That is such a different picture from what many people teach. It feels softer, but also more real. I think many people are tired because they are chasing a dream that is not even theirs.
Yes, and that is a painful way to live. A borrowed dream can make a person rich outside and poor inside. That is why it is important to stop sometimes and ask honest questions.
Like what kind of questions? I want to know because I think I need them. I want to be more honest with myself.
Questions like, what do I truly need? What kind of life makes me feel calm and proud? Who am I becoming while I chase this goal?
Those questions are simple, but they feel deep. I think they can change a person's direction. Maybe they can stop someone from following the crowd without thinking.
Yes, they can. Life becomes better when your choices match your values. Then even small progress feels meaningful, and money becomes part of your life instead of the center of it.
I think I have learned something important today. Money matters, but it is not the same as happiness. It can support a good life, but it cannot create a good heart.
That is exactly the truth I discovered too. A good heart, a clear purpose, and strong relationships bring a deeper kind of happiness. Money can serve those things, but it cannot replace them.
Thank you, Alex. I only wanted a seat and a cup of coffee this morning, but I got a lesson I really needed. I will remember this talk for a long time.
You are welcome, Sophia. I enjoyed this conversation very much. Sometimes the richest moments in life are free, like a quiet cafe, two honest people, and a meaningful talk.
That may be the best answer to the whole question. The truth about money and happiness is not that money means nothing. The truth is that money is useful, but love, peace, and purpose mean more.
Well said, Sophia. I do not think I could say it better. I hope your future is full of enough money to live well and enough wisdom to know what truly matters.
Thank you. I hope the same for you, too. And next time I start comparing myself to others, I will remember that a full life is not always the same as a full wallet.
That is a great sentence to keep with you. Protect your peace, build your future, and stay true to yourself. That is a kind of wealth no one can take away.